Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unsending an iMessage on iOS 16. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order for this to work, you and the recipient of the message will both have to have iOS 16. Unsending an iMessage only works for up to 2 minutes after sending the message. After 2 minutes, it is no longer possible to do. Hold down on the message that you would like to unsend. Tap Undo Send. The message will disappear for both you and for the recipient of the message. The recipient will be able to see that you have unsent a message, but not what it said. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.